Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pair your Mazda CX-5 Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Then, grab your smartphone and turn on its Bluetooth function, ensuring it is discoverable. Next, navigate to your Mazda Connect infotainment system. You will find the main menu on the central display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection, so take your time with each step. We want to get this right the first time. Now let's dive into the Mazda Connect system. From the main menu, tap on the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. Within the settings, you will see several tabs. Select the connectivity tab. This is where all your wireless options reside. From there, choose Bluetooth and then look for the Add New Device option. This action tells your Mazda to start searching for available phones. It's a straightforward process. Once you've selected Add New Device, your Mazda CX-5 will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. You should see a list of available devices appear on your vehicle's screen. Find your phone's name in that list and select it. Both your phone and the Mazda display will then show a 6-digit passkey. It's very important to confirm that these two numbers match exactly before proceeding. This ensures a secure connection. After confirming the passkey, your phone will likely ask for permission to sync contacts and messages. It's generally a good idea to grant these permissions for full hands-free functionality. Once connected, test it out. Try playing some audio or making a quick hands-free call to ensure everything is working perfectly. Moving forward, your device should automatically reconnect to your Mazda CX-5 every time you start the vehicle, making your drives much more convenient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.